welcome to my channel. So today we are again staying in Instagram, but this time we're going to be looking at live streaming. So before I do that, I want to just give you a little introduction as to why I'm wearing my little Christmas hat. So I have been taking part in Vlogmas 2020, and today is day 18, which is the day that I plan to move my videos into the live streaming realm. And as you know, I do live stream on this channel every Wednesday at 3 p.m. GMT. So I am going to be bringing you everything that I know to help you with your strategy as we move into 2021. So my name is Anita and I am an Instagram and Facebook business coach, and I'm also a live streamer and video creator. So I'm going to mix that all together today and bring you this video on how to easily and simply go live using Instagram. So before we dive into how to go live on your Instagram account, I just wanted to tell you why it's such a good idea that you start practicing going live into your Instagram account. Because going live will really help elevate your visibility on your Instagram account. Like any other social platform, live video ranks higher than any other video format used in that social platform, and Instagram is no different. What will happen with your Instagram live when you're live is that Instagram will actually push it up to the top of the stories, and your story circle will have a big red loop on it showing everybody that you're live, and it will also have that live indicator which will enable you to get a wider reach on your Instagram account. I know it can be quite scary to go live on Instagram, and I know that sometimes the tech and the equipment might put you off, but please don't let it put you off. As long as you've got your mobile phone, good lighting and good audio, then you're set to go and you can talk about whatever you want to talk about on your Instagram live. So with Instagram, you do have to go live within the Instagram tool. You are not officially allowed to use a third-party tool to go live into Instagram at the moment. So we have to use our mobile phone. So what I've got is I've got my mobile phone set up, and I've also got my iPad set up. And what we're going to do is I'm going to be sharing both of those screens, and hopefully we're going to see what it's like from the user, which is you, and then also what it's like from the viewer, which is also you if you are watching somebody else's Instagram live. So the first thing you want to do is to go into your Instagram account, and you should be able to see my phone on the screen with me. So here I am inside my Instagram account. So don't forget, if you haven't given me a follow over on Instagram, please do go and check my Instagram account out. It's @_Anita_Wong. So in order for you to go live on Instagram, you do have to go live inside of the Instagram stories. So actually there are three ways to access the stories inside of your Instagram account. The first way is on your profile. You go ahead and click the plus button and click stories, and it will open up the stories for you. So the second way to get to your stories is to click the home button, and actually you either click the plus button at the top and then choose the story option, and again it will open up the stories. Or you can do the traditional way where you're on the home button and you actually swipe to the right and you can still access your stories. So there are actually three ways to access your stories in order for you to go live. And then all you have to do along the bottom is to scroll across till it says live. So the first thing you see when you open up your stories on the live tab is that you'll see how many active followers that you have. So this is really good. Maybe you might want to spend a couple of days just checking out when your followers are online. So then you can actually time your live so that you have more followers online to be able to watch you. Another thing that you might want to do is to actually give your live stream a title. It's always really good for search if a video has a title. So you can go ahead and click the title button, and then you can go ahead and give your live stream a title. Once you've written your title, just go ahead and add details. So that will be visible to the followers that Instagram notify when you actually click that live button. Now there's a little heart underneath that title. Now if you click that, it allows you to assign a fundraiser to your live as well, but we're not going to go into that today. So then all you have to do then is press the go live button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and it will check your connection, and then it will instantly take you live. So now I'm live. So what it's doing now is it's telling me that it's going to let my followers know that I've started a live stream. And as you can see at the top, there is also the title that I popped in. So hello everyone, and welcome to my live today. I'm actually recording a new video on how to go live on Instagram so that you're ready to start live streaming on Instagram in 2021. So what we do now is we allow Instagram to tell our followers that we're live. And as you can see at the bottom, it says, hold on, we're telling more followers to join your video. So whilst we wait for some people to join, I'll just run through some of the things along the bottom. So we have this question box. Now this question box is where your viewers can actually ask you a question. And when they do ask you a question, you can actually pop that question up on the screen. So I'll show you that in a moment. We also have this aeroplane. When we have the aeroplane, it allows you to share this live stream with other people. So I can click on here and send that to one of my followers, and they'll be notified in their inbox that I've gone live. Another thing is that, okay, so Cam's just joined me. Hi, Cam. So you can actually wave at them to let them know that they've joined you. So hi, Cam, I'm just recording a new video for my YouTube channel all around how to go live on Instagram. So Cam's just joined me and I've waved to him. So he'll get notified that I've actually waved at him. Now, if I wanted to, I could invite Cam onto the live. So you can actually have more than one person on the live. So you can actually invite your followers on. And to do that, you would just click this little 2 button here where it's got different people and it will ask you to send the invitations to them. We've also got the opportunity to add filters. So you don't have to do your makeup if you don't want to. You can just scroll through your filters and add one of the filters to your live if you want to. And it can it can change what you're doing. Oh, that goes really well, actually. Let's just do that. That goes really well with my Santa hat. I've got a bit of snow and my ski goggles. So as you can see, there's lots of different filters that you can play around with if you want to. And there's all sorts of things that you can do. You can also video what's going on in front of you as well. So I'm on the selfie mode at the moment. If I want to video what's happening in my studio, I can do this and it will swap around and everyone can see that I'm recording this video for you. So let's just swap that back. Okay, so what I want to do now is I just want to quickly show you what it looks like from the other side. Okay, so what you can see now is that because I popped a question up on my live stream in Instagram, people can see that I'm actually live and they can actually see that they can see the question and they can ask a question as well. So they can actually ask their question if they want to as well. So when you want to end the live, all you have to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click the cross and it will ask you if you want to end your live. So are you sure that you want to end your live video? So when you end your live video, all you have to do is click end now. So now you've got these 3 options inside of your Instagram live. So you've ended your live video. And now it's going to be asking you 3 different things: share to Instagram TV, download your video, or delete your video. What I would recommend you do is always download your video to your phone in case your signal drops when you are transferring it over to Instagram TV. So go ahead and click download video, and it's going to download that video to your camera roll so that maybe you might want to use it to repurpose content later. And then what you can do is you can go share to Instagram TV. So when you share to Instagram TV, what it's going to do is it's going to share your video into Instagram's version of YouTube, so Instagram's TV. So it's trying to really act a little bit like when you go live on Facebook or you go live on YouTube. Because when you go live on Facebook or you go live on YouTube, what happens is that your live stream is automatically stored inside of your feed. So wherever it is that you went live. So if you went live on YouTube, it would be stored in your YouTube account. If you went live on your Facebook page, it would be stored in your Facebook page. If you went live on your Facebook profile, it would be stored on your Facebook profile. So you can see how Instagram is trying to catch up with its live streaming. And this is why it's so important that you do go ahead and have a go at live streaming in 2021. I know it can be really scary, but it is something that perhaps you might want to do. So here we are inside our Instagram TV. So once we've transferred it to Instagram TV, you can choose a thumbnail from your video that you have at the moment, or you can add a thumbnail from your camera roll. So if you click on your camera roll, it's going to bring up any photos that you have in your camera roll that you might want to do. So I could put that one as my thumbnail. And then what I do next is I click next, and it allows me to fill in my description. So I've already got my title, because remember I added my title when we were doing the beginning of the live stream. So now what it's going to do is it's going to ask me to add a description. What I've done is I've wrote my description in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add my link to my YouTube channel inside of here, because in Instagram TV, don't forget that you can actually add a link to take people to another place. So I'm going to grab my YouTube link. Okay, so I've grabbed my YouTube link. I'm going to paste that in there. And then what that's going to do is it's going to allow people that watch this video in my Instagram TV to click this link and go and see the full video inside of my YouTube channel, which is this video that we're actually watching now. So say hi in the comments below if you have just come over from my Instagram TV account to watch this video that you're watching now. That would be so cool. Okay, so you can also add it to a series. So adding it to a series is like adding it to a playlist inside of Instagram TV. You can also share your Instagram TV video to your normal 9 square grid inside of your Instagram account. I would recommend that you do this to give greater exposure to your live on Instagram. So you could go ahead and do that if you wanted to. If you do that, you can click post preview and it will allow you to post that preview into your Instagram 9 square grid, and it will post up to a 60-second preview before they'll have to click on it to watch the rest of the video inside your Instagram TV. Another thing that you can do with your Instagram Live is to optimize it for search later. So what you can do is you can add on your hashtags now, and you can use up to 30 hashtags inside of here in order for your live stream to be seen by a wider audience. So you go ahead and add those in as well. So once you've made sure that your title fits your live stream, that your description is as you want it, and that you've started to add your hashtags in, all you have to do is click post. And what that will do is it's going to actually post your live stream to your Instagram TV account so that your followers can watch it on replay. Okay, so there's my live stream inside of my Instagram account. If I click on the title here, as you can see, it has my YouTube link. If I click that, it's going to open up YouTube right inside my Instagram account. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to go live on Instagram. If you've liked this video, please do give me the thumbs up. And don't forget that if you want to learn more about Instagram, Facebook, or video marketing, then do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the next time I upload a new video or go live on my channel. All that's left to say is bye for now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.